is day 3 of my Fairfax Favor Advent Calendar, and I couldn't be more thrilled because I am being joined by my glorious assistant that goes by the name of Mon Dog. He is the ant to my deck. He's just left frame. So he is going to help me style up whatever gem comes out of day 3. The Mon Dog and I have got our festive jumpers on because we're feeling very excited for Christmas. What do you think it is, Lee? I can't think what this might be. Oh my God, I think I've got a feeling of what they are. Oh my God, it is. And I think that this boot will actually go really well with what I'm wearing. I'm just gonna have a little bit of a try on. I want everyone's feedback to be really honest. If these boots were made for me, I wouldn't be shocked. I live in a boot like this. They are my favourite ever. They're perfect, they're fur-lined, they're suede. Isn't it serendipitous that I put on this outfit? They look so good. It's such a rarity that I will look at something and I think, actually, I've got the perfect outfit on, but safe to say I think I have actually today. Right, I am off out to christen my spanking new boots that I've completely fallen in love with. But you now have to enter the competition for the 12th of December to be in with a chance of winning over £15,000 worth. Can you imagine that? Of Fairfax and Favor gifts. Now, it is part of their 12 Days of Christmas virtual advent calendar. And for a chance to win, all you need to do is sign up on the website. The link is in the caption. Mon Dog, we're off to the Hyde Park. Let's go. A little bit sleepy today, Mon Dog.